Hey guys, you want to know about rounding? Honestly, it's so easy. It's going to take you a few minutes, and then after that, you'll never forget it. You'll be able to explain it to your grandma, your dog, your cousin. If we're invaded by aliens, you'll be able to teach them, but they probably already know it. Let's face it. Two rules that you need to know, and that's pretty much it. Rounding to decimal places and rounding to significant figures. The first one, decimal places, you start counting after the decimal point, and the second one, significant figures, you start counting after the first non-zero number. So the first question A deals with decimal places. So it wants us to round these numbers to 2 decimal places. And remember, we start counting after the decimal point. What number comes after decimal point? 5 and then 6. The second one is 6. This is the second decimal place. We look at the number after the 6 and we decide if we're going to round up or down, and then that's it. So because the number is 7 greater than 5, we're going to round up. So it's going to become 34.57 instead of 6. Great, so that was pretty simple. So let's look at the second one. 3.887126. Let's look for the second decimal place. So here's the decimal point and we go 1, 2, it's 8. What number comes after the 8? Well, in this case, it's a 7. So we're going to round this 8 up. So this is going to become 3.89. And let's finally do the last one. So we have 215.58754. Decimal point is here. We go 1, we go 2 decimal places. And we need to know, are we rounding this up or down? Well, the number after it is a 7. It's greater than 5, so we're rounding up. So this is going to be 215.59. Cool. It's very simple. Let's now jump into significant figures. Round these numbers to 2 significant figures. We count from the first non-zero number. The first non-zero number here is 3. We go 1, we go 2, because it wants 2 significant figures. We have the second significant figure. Now we just need to know whether we're rounding it up or down. And the number after is 5, so we're rounding it up. So this becomes 40, because the 9 rounds up. 217 to 2 significant figures. Again, just count from the first non-zero number. 1, 2. So this is the second significant figure. What number comes after it? It's a 7. This becomes 220. 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 5, 5. The first non-zero number is what? Clearly it's this 4. This is the first significant figure, and the second significant figure is this 5. Now we need to look at what comes after the 5 and decide whether we're rounding up or down. It's a 5, so we're going to round up. 0.00046. Let's do the rest. The first non-zero number is this one here. The second significant figure therefore is this 2, and the number that comes after it is a 0. It's less than 5 or less than 4 technically, so we round down. This becomes 12000. 25.505. The first non-zero number is this 2. The second significant figure therefore is the 5. After the 5 is another 5, meaning that we round up. So this is going to become 26. So I hope that makes sense, guys. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.